Alright, so now we have our quick check spec pulled up already in the aligner, so we're going to go ahead and mount our sensors. We'll talk a little bit about mounting to make sure it's the easiest possible for you. The biggest thing is when you go to be able to mount them, having the hooks, we want to have it tilted back just a little bit. We don't want the hooks straight across at 3 and 9. We want them back just a little bit. So have it in there fairly secured. Pull in on the black handles of the arms. As you pull in, flip down on the gray handle to be able to lock everything in place. Make sure your lock knob is released and go ahead and turn it on.
Okay, cool.
So this is our rearmost drive axle. Notice we have a groove for 19.5, 22.5, and 24.5. Easiest way to be able to mount them is to be able to get one of them in the groove first and then try to pivot off that. Okay, so I'm going to try to set my back one first, and I can pivot my front one right into place. Again, pull in tight. Oops, sorry. And we're good to go. That way everything's seated in the correct groove for it. Unlock it and turn it on. Okay, so the big thing I want you guys to notice here, so this is our front steer axle, or our middle sensor. Notice how it sits higher in the casting than what our rear sensor does. The reason for that, our rear sensor is going to be sending its signal right underneath the front drive going up to the steer. So it has to be able to sit up in the wheel adapter. Also in the wheel adapter, I want you to notice that it's sitting in the rearmost hole on the wheel adapter. We have a front hole and a rear hole. Always has to be in the rearmost hole. The wheel adapter will also have an arrow pointing to the front of the vehicle. Make sure everything's unlocked, floating. All right, let's go to the passenger side. All right, so now we have all 6 sensors mounted. We're going to go ahead and tell the computer everything's ready to go, and then we're going to roll the truck forward.